Hello everyone, welcome to this session. So students, in this session I will be discussing all the opportunities for GATE as well as engineering services. Okay, although some of you might be knowing about the opportunities, but I will be discussing all the possible maximum opportunities whatever possible with the help of these two exams. Now, you may be thinking why about only these two exams, because what I can say about these two exams, GATE as well as ESE, if we discuss about the syllabus, technical syllabus of both the exam, more or less both will be same, almost same. I can say two or three subjects will be more in engineering services as compared to GATE exam. That's why if you are preparing only for GATE exam, then automatic technical subject for engineering services will be also prepared. That's why generally what happen, whenever any engineer is going to prepare for GATE, definitely he will be also preparing for engineering services also. But sometimes it depends on the student choice, they are preparing for only GATE as well as for only engineering services. But the basic exam will be GATE exam, because the depth of the subject, or I can say the difficulty level of the question paper for GATE exam will be very high. That's why first every student must prepare for GATE exam, and definitely as well as engineering service examination also. Now, so we will discuss about one by one. First I will discuss about all the opportunities for GATE examination, and then I will discuss about engineering services examination one by one. So this video will be short as well as very interesting, so go for full video so that all the doubts will be clear for every engineer, whether we should go for GATE engineering services, or whether your career or life is going to be set with the help of these two exam or not. So every doubt will be going to clear. So watch the full video. Let's start. So first we'll go for graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is GATE. So here we have, right, opposite to GATE examination. Now first opportunity here it is showing here, that is higher studies. So first I'm talking about in higher studies, I'm talking about MTech as well as MSc. Generally in India I'm talking about MTech only. Okay, so as we know that we have IITs, NITs, triple IIT, and so many government institutions, that is the university here. So in all these universities we can get admission in MTech with the help of this particular exam, that is GATE exam. Okay, now what will be the benefit? First of all, we will going for masters here. Definitely our knowledge will be enhanced first of all, so that we can apply this knowledge throughout our life in different jobs or everywhere. Okay, now during this particular course, MTech course, what will happen, we are getting a stipend of rupees 12,400 per month also throughout these 2 years, which will help you a lot, so that you should not be dependent on any other person for your financial support during this 2 year of your MTech journey here. So that's why this is a very good program here. Definitely you can go for MTech as well as some higher studies also. Okay, now after BTech, suppose if someone is getting placement through college only, so he will be not going for MTech. But later on, so many students will take drop from the job, then they are going for MTech. Why? Because once you will go for higher studies, definitely your knowledge will be enhanced, and you will utilize this knowledge in the best way in your life everywhere. That's why it is also important. Okay, now moving towards the next, that is, just a minute. Yeah. Second, here we have second opportunity through GATE exam, that is PSU, public sector undertaking. As we know, we have many Ratna Maharatna companies, so many PSUs we have. For example, ONGC, IOCL, NTPC, BHEL, right, BPC, HPCL, DRDO, ISRO, GAIL, etc., etc. So generally every year these PSUs going to be changed. Exactly, these same PSUs will not be every year. Sometimes some addition or subtraction of this PSU through GATE exam will be there. But the motto is, once you write GATE exam and you get a very good rank, so directly you will get a job here. Why we are going to study? We are studying to get a very good job, so that we can make our life easy, or we can set our career like this only. That's why we are doing going for BTech after 12th exam. So here after MTech we are getting also job. But what will happen, if you will go for directly GATE exam with best rank, and you take directly taking job in PSUs, your life will be set at that moment only. You will become officer in any PSU with very good salary. I'm talking about salary also, as you can see here, near about 18 to 10 to 18 LPA. That means if I'm talking about per month, it will be near about 80,000 to approx 1.5 lakh per month here, along with some other benefits here. For example, pension, housing, medical, and so many other allowances will be there. All the benefits will be getting to you, and it will help you a lot to run your life, to run your things in very smooth way. Okay, so this is very good opportunity through GATE examination. So we have discussed about two highest study means MTech as well as PSU. नाउ अगर बात कर लेते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की, तो अब आ जा रहा है आगे आपके पास, आप देख सकते हैं दो और अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा होगा। जैसे देख सकते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज अब्रॉड, and second thing we have private sector as well as research. So if we are going for abroad university, so generally I'm talking about, right, Singapore, because basically through GATE examination, right, we are getting admission in MS as well as PhD in Singapore university. Here they accept GATE score. So as we know already that GATE scorecard is valid for 2 to 3 years depending on year wise, and this GATE score is valid for taking admission in MSc PhD in this university also. So if you are dreaming to do your masters or PhD from foreign university, your dream will come true with the help of GATE exam only. That's why it is said GATE is the only gate to open all the gates for engineers. Okay, now second will be here next. Fourth will be, here we have private sector as well research. So generally if we are talking about Tata, Mahindra, LLT, and so many similar companies like this, which are not PSUs, not government, but very prestigious company, we can say very good company, because salary or reputation will be almost similar to PSUs. Salary will be also very good. That's why once you will go for GATE examination, you will get a very good rank or you will crack. So you can also go for these company also with the help of this. And what will be your work profile there? Generally your work profile will be in R&D. But if you're not going for R&D, they can place you in some other department also. Okay, now you can go for research fellowship also, like BARC, CSI, DRDO, etc., like this one. Okay, now next we are talking about next opportunity through GATE examination, that is teaching as well as in academy. Okay, so basically we know once we go for master and PhD, then we can go for a professor, assistant professor, right, in various institute in government as well as private engineering college here. So here we have opportunity here, as well as I want to tell you that not only in the government or private engineering college or diploma college, we can say, but you will be getting a good, sometime a very good placement or a very good job after GATE examination in very good private universities also. So whenever you're going for any very good private university, they are also asking for GATE result, how much you have scored. Means why they're asking? The point is they want to check whether your knowledge is good or not in terms of technical. Means suppose if you are mechanical engineer or civil or in any branch you have done your engineering, so what happened? How much knowledge you have gained in your BTech life? How much knowledge you have for your particular subject? How able you can able to teach while teaching the students, like this only. That's why they are checking GATE result, how much you have scored in the GATE examination. It is not necessary that you will score first rank or 100 out of 100. No, not like that, but it should be a decent rank, it should be a decent marks. Okay, now next opportunity through GATE examination will be a dual degree, that is MTech plus PhD program. So directly after going for your BTech, you will write GATE exam and directly you can go for IITs, NITs, and various government as well as private universities. Dual degree, that means once you will enter into suppose IIT for dual degree program, within 5 years, within 5 years you will complete your MTech plus PhD within 5 years. 2 years, first of all 2 years will be for MTech, and then remaining 3 years will be for your PhD, like this only. So in 5 years your both MTech plus PhD will be completed here. Okay, if not completed in 5 years, it can be extended to 6 or 7 years also depending on your performance here. But here I want to tell you here, just like in MTech I said that stipend of rupees 12,400 every month you will be getting during the MTech year. In the same way here, stipend of rupees 12,400 per month you will be also getting here also for first 2 years. Then after 2 years, from the third year, you will be getting rupees 28,000 per month once you register for your MTech program, for your PhD program here after MTech year. So that's why you will be getting this 28,000 per month or more than that this amount till the completion of your PhD. So this is also very good opportunity for the GATE examination. Now here we have one more opportunity, like direct PhD. That means when you have done BTech or B, that is once you have done your engineering, directly you can take admissions in directly PhD. No need of any MTech. Directly you go for PhD also. There are some institute, right? IITs also provide, NITs also, and so many institutes provide direct PhD program also with the help of GATE examination. But for these two, you have to go for personal interview also, because IITs or any other institute will conduct some interview. Although GATE exam is necessary, GATE score is necessary, good score is necessary for taking admission in these two programs. But after GATE score also, you have to face very small interview in particular college, any college. We're talking about IT, NIT or any college, you have to go for interview also. Okay, and very good stipend here. That is 28,000 per month. You will getting if you're going for direct PhD from the first day only. That is from the first month, you will be getting 28,000 per month as a stipend. That means you will be not dependent on any other person during your studies. Okay, now next will be here we have CSIR India. Here also same, just like PhD program. Here you can go for your PhD program, and here also you will be getting right 25,000 as a stipend plus HRA you will get here, right? And initially you will go for JRF, right? Junior Research Fellow. Later on you will be upgraded to SRF, and your stipend will be also upgraded accordingly from, I think, 25 to some value. So I think from 31 to 35. Maybe from 31K, it will be upgraded to 35K rupees only. So this is also very good opportunity through GATE examination. Okay, so we have done 8 opportunities through GATE examination, and here is the ninth one, most important, most important. Here we have NITI Mumbai. We are talking about NITI Mumbai, admission in NITI Mumbai, which is known as IIM Mumbai, Indian Institute of Management Mumbai. Here we have name change in year 2003, I think here. Initially we are knowing it as NITI Mumbai only. So NITI Mumbai is also accepting GATE score. Now, what is the benefit? Let me tell you the most important benefit here. As we are going for IIT MTech, okay, or NIT for MTech, so what will happen? Chance of placement maybe 70% or 80%, maybe less than 70%, 60 or 50% will be there, and you are getting package of in IITs, NITs, you are getting packages on an average 12 lakh per annum, 12 LPA per annum you are getting here. But here, if you are talking about NITI Mumbai, chance of placement will be 100%, 100%. First of all, high chance of placement, and that too placement will be at very good package, maybe at 20 LPA, maybe at 20 LPA, maybe at 30 LPA, like this only. So it's a very good opportunity to GATE examination. Once write the GATE exam after the engineering and go for this particular course, and after completion of your course, you will get a very good salary, very good salary, and your life or career will be set through this GATE examination. But you have to study here in this program. And what is the program they are offering here? That is for project management, manufacturing management, as well as industrial engineering they are offering. In this course or in this program, you have to study, you have to work hard there, then you will get a very good placement and your career will be set, right? Okay, so we have done so many discussion about what are the various opportunities through GATE examination, and all the opportunities are very good or super opportunity. Now let's talk about various opportunities through engineering services examination. So first of all, engineering services conducted by UPSC. As we know that GATE exam conducted by all the IITs as well as ISC Bangalore here. But here we can say ESC conducted by UPSC here. And if you will go for PSUs, you will become officer in any particular PSU. But here you are going for class 1 officer in central government, more prestigious job, I can say. If I go for comparison of, right, any officer in suppose IOCL or any other PSU, as well as if you are going for class 1 officer through engineering service examination, socially, if you are going for comparison, then social image will be higher in this one, that is engineering services, right? You will be getting more value in the society. Okay, now so let's, but salary wise more or less is initially they are almost same, but gradually chance to grow will be more here in case of engineering services examination. Here you can see, right, through EC we can join in Indian Railways, right, Central Engineering Services, Indian Defence Service, right. Then we have border roads, central water engineering, and power, telecom, defense, and etc. I'm writing etc. here. Few other departments here we can join here like this one. Now we're talking about here, if you are going for engineering services, if you are going for right, engineering services, we will join this department. And what will be the salary here? Salary will be starting from 15,000, right, 56,100 per month plus DA plus HRA plus TA, and it will increase up to 2.5 lakh per month as you are getting promotions here we have, and so many other benefits also, so many other benefits also. That's why EAC is a very 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 good option for engineers all the engineering, because very good opportunity through this engineering service examination. Okay, now we are going for the career growth. What will happen later on if you will go for engineering services, if you will join this department, later on you can be chief engineer, you can be secretary, right, for government of India. That means here in engineering services what will happen, you will not doing only technical job. Your job nature, your job profile will be technical plus administration plus management type of job only. If you're working in any department, this both role you have to play here at same time only. That's why very interesting job, as well as very good salary and very good benefits also. So that's why this is very good opportunity for you. Once prepare for your engineering services, get a good rank, right, get your job, and just set your life or career in the best way only here we are. Okay, now we are going for a quick comparison of गेट as well as engineering service examination. बात करते हैं दोनों में क्या अंतर है थोड़ा बहुत. As I said earlier that almost syllabus will be same in technical, but what happened in case of gate examination, if you're talking about here gate examination as well as engineering services exam, so what will happen here, first of all technical subject will be more or less same, little bit one or two subject will be more in engineering services. Okay, but if you talk about what is the difference, so here we have question will be very difficult, level of question will be difficult in gate exam as compared to engineering services first of all. But if we discuss about the syllabus, if we discuss, so question level difficulty will be more in gate, less in engineering services. But if we discuss about syllabus, syllabus will be wider, more syllabus, because in technical subject also 2 or 3 subject will be more as compared to gate, and in non-technical also we have 8 to 10 subjects, 8 to 10 subjects. That's why syllabus will be more in engineering services as compared to the gate examination. Okay, so here is the difference between gate as well as engineering services in terms of question level difficulty, that is the depth of the subject, as well as syllabus here. Now talking about when gate exam will be here. So gate will be conducted once in a year in the month of February, and then this scorecard for gate will be valid for 2 to 3 years. But what happened, engineering services is an exam where you have to go for multiple stages. First you will go for prelims. If it will be cleared, then you will go for your mains or objective exam. If it will be cleared, then you will go for your interview exam. So combined it will be of 1300 marks in multiple stages, one by one, right. Then finally you will be selected, as your officer, class 1 officer here we have. But gate exam will be of 100 marks directly, 65 questions, 65 question, one day exam, 3 hour exam only here we have. But here we have multiple papers at multiple time, so it's a long process in engineering services. But why I am telling that you should go for both, because once you prepare for both gate as well as engineering services, then what will happen, whatever you will read in these 2 years will be very beneficial for you, not only for doing the job anywhere, but throughout your life, whether you are going for any particular job or any startup or any business or anything else. Whatever knowledge you will gain inside your body or mind, it will remain with you throughout your life, so that you can apply all these things at any stage of life, so that you can grow faster. Okay, so here these are the things, right. And students, I hope you enjoyed a lot, because let me show you the few slides also. Once again, here we have, right, opportunities GATE and ESEs. We have discussed about so many opportunities like MTech, PSUs, we have foreign universities, we have private sector, we have teaching, we have dual degree, we have direct PhD, we have CSI, right. Then we have NITI Mumbai admission. These are the various good opportunities through GATE examination, and as well as we have discussed good opportunities through engineering services also. I hope all the doubts cleared. Now you can able to decide whether you should go for GATE examination or you should go for engineering services. But my personal opinion will be, if you are going for GATE examination, just go for engineering services also, because while preparing GATE, already technical portion of engineering services already prepared. That's why you can go for engineering services also, and you can make your career there also. So I hope student, all the doubts will be cleared for you regarding these opportunities, regarding this exam. Now you can able to decide. So for every engineer in India, I can say you must go for GATE as well as engineering or any one exam at least, so that you can build your career in the best way. You can get a very good job, you can get a very good salary, and you can be benefited a lot in the life. Okay, so thank you all of you for watching this video. I think everything will be clear. So thank you. Good luck. Bye.